Let me just quickly fix your bikini for a sec. Am I awesome? Oi.
May masamang balak si Daddy Mike.
Paris? Paris, quick, I gotta fix your bikini.
Come on, honey, so we can go. Celine! Good morning, Lily girl. Okay, we'll put your...
Turn around.
Oh, hang on, we'll put your thing on too. Look, have a look at the Paris. Look. Daddy's fixing at the Paris's bikini. Are you excited, Ate? Yeah.
What's in it? Turn around. What's in the back of your bikini? What's that?
Hey, what's that? What's that?
What is it? What is it? What is it?
Oh, kill it, Bob!
It's a sweater. Guys, here we are. That's the cockroach.
Victim extreme!
It's not you. It's nice.
I don't like tomatoes.
Celine like that.
I actually.
Celine loved it.
Can we go now?
Yeah.
Because I really live on the city. Who's going to close?
We will go swimming, guys. Come in.
And what's that? Oh, it's boy crunch.
Yeah. As if I put
1, 2, 3.
as if I put a real cockroach in your ass. Can you? Where is the cockroach? Because I can't. What?
Yes.
Oh, sorry.
I think it's that.
Napaka-timing naman ng ulan, oy. Oh my God. This one looks so cool, see?
Can I go now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you sure it's not cold there, Bob? Meron silang ganito. Shade lang naman to, sunshade. Not no. Gotta be cold. Ling ling. So ayoko maligo guys, oy. Tama lang ako sa kanila, eh. Moral support. Ginaw kaya yung tubig. Yes lang. Daddy here.
It's very cold.
It is.
It's not much.
Hold her. Did they have to say a child can drown in seconds?
I think I'm getting warmer.
Ang ating Ate Paris ay very positive kahit na maginaw Tari, tignan ka gold to Careful anak, you might slide. Ling!
Nothing makes me happier than having walked under that bucket by accident. Down the slide.
Ling! La, what?
The water's cold.
That's why go under. There's no water under. Go.
Too cold.
Not lagi lang. Come on. There's no water under. Just go quick, run. Hold the pole. Wow, that looks amazing, Paris. Wow, good job. Hindi talaga sila magpapatalo, oh. Suminto na yung ulan, guys. Alam niyo ba, inulanan kami? Uuwi na sana kami ni Baby Celine. Nag-stop kami doon sa may gilid. Ay, nag-stop na yung ulan. We'll have a look what's in here. Look. Ah. It's from there. Tapos labas dito. Oh, cold. Discovery Holiday Park, Byron Bay. Well done. Ito natin ang big king. Alalo. Lalo. Umalis kami doon guys. Okay, napakaginaw na tubig. Ayaw kong ilapag to kayo baka lumagpot.
You go to the red one? Go on the red. Ready?
Lily, jump!
Hey, mommy.
Look at Mama! Hi! Just like... Look at Lini! Look at Lini! Is she okay? I think she's scared, Mom. Her face.
Well done. Well done, Emily. Well done. Come down.
Okay, go.
Come down. Come down. Come down. Fast.
A few moments later.
Maglalagay lang tayo ng sunscreen, guys. Tapos, aalis na tayo. So, nakabihis na ang buong family. Hinihintay na lang nila si mami. Usual, mami talaga ang huli kasi inuuna man sila. Ayan. So, wala na may ka-make up. Bahala na mami last mo dyan. Wala na mag-adjust. So, ayan, kinurl ko ang aking hair. Tapos, tinagyan ko ng aking paipit na tatanggal. Tapos, this is what it looks like now, guys, yung ating kilay. Ayan. So, diba, naligo tayo. So, medyo na ano siya. Anyways. Alright. Oh, ilagay natin ang ating quintas. Wala akong ibang dalang ano eh. Ito lang. Para statement ba? So, si Paris na rin right there. And Celine is here. Tingnan niyo, relax-relax si Inday. Nagpas-brush. Tulongkoy! What are you doing, my tulongko? Hi!
No.
Ay. Ow! Oh. Kiss mama. Sus, naka-flamingo pa yun ang dress. Very cute man lang daw eh. So, ito yung ating pa-outfit, guys. Ayan. So, white sweatshirt. And that's super cute. Ayan. So, from Off-White, sobrang ganda ng kulay-kulay dyan. And also, the cutest part is, ay, dumali. the cutest part is yung likuran niya. Kasi, ayan. So, collaboration to siya ng Takashi Murakami. So, that's very, very nice. I've got my Zara coat. And isa lang yung shoes na dala ko, guys. Yung aking airbus. So, well, guess what, guys? Dapat sana kami ay aalis na. Actually, nakapag-drive na ako hanggang doon na. Oh, I realized. Tingnan nyo ang ating tires. I don't know how it happened. Na-realize ko ba, iba talaga siya ang takbo. Ay, napakamalas naman talaga. I'm just gonna call the insurance.
Yeah.
Do we have roadside assistance?
Yep. This expires next year.
Okay. Tawagan natin yung insurance, guys.
Insurance, please press 1. Or for pet insurance, please press... If you've been in a car accident and need emergency assistance or require roadside assistance, please press 9 now.
That's cute, okay.
If you've been in a car accident and need emergency assistance, please press 1. If your car is broken down and you need roadside assistance, please press 2. To return to...
Just one day when I have galoshes and my tippy toes.
That looks really nice. Talaga naman ang panahon.
Can I see?
See, look.
Thank you for calling your pleasure speaking with RV. How can I help?
Hi, Avi. Good afternoon. My name is Jovi. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Not too bad, thank you. I'm just wondering if you can help me. I actually called earlier, just probably 3 minutes ago, just about our car. It's got a flat tire and we need road assistance.
Okay, and what was the retro number?
Yeah, so actually I spoke to the guy before and I explained it to him that I think when we purchased the insurance it was under a Victorian Carajo, but we just moved to Melbourne to Queensland, so it's changed. He just asked for my mobile number. Will that help?
Yeah, that's going to be okay. Only meant for the emergency purposes, okay?
Okay, yep, no worries. I got that.
Right, I'm going to ask you a few mandatory questions. Please say yes or no.
Sure.
Are you safe and off the road?
Yes.
Was the vehicle in an accident?
No.
Okay, and just one flat tire, right?
Yes.
Are any studs broken?
Sorry, what was that again?
Are any studs from the tire broken?
No, I don't think so. I can't see anything.
Okay. Okay, is the car lowered? Is it modified?
No.
Okay, perfect. So I'll just call a couple of providers and see who can assist you right now, and I'll call you back in the GTA soon, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Speak soon.
The only thing you need to do is you need to give them the gate code.
What?
The gate.
She's gonna...
I'm saying you don't forget to get the code.
Oh, it's not very nice, isn't it, Daddy?
Like an insurance, is it?
That's the importance of getting insured, guys.
And you're gonna need to be insured again next year. Next month.
So can you imagine if we are not insured tapos nangyari ito, ewan ko na lang.
Tow truck.
Yeah, tow truck.
Or Daddy will have to come and get a tire and jack it up and then... What? What's so funny about that?
Making me laugh. Now, yeah?
What do you do, Bob? You got flat tire? What do you want this? Yeah?
Parisya! Alam niyo ba, ang ating baby Celine ay nandun sa loob po natutulog. Loob ng sasakyan. Napansin ko talaga guys kasi gumagano'n ba? Jum! 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 Yeah, something wrong. God. Anyways, they will call me back daw. Bibigay ng ETA. They will, send someone para mag-change na tires. Buti na lang, hindi ko kasi alam guys na, hindi ko nakita yung tires sa likuran ba? Buti na lang chinek ni Daddy Mike. Sabi ni Daddy Mike, are you sure? Kasi so sobrang daming dito. Meron pala dyan. Hirap Basta, pero sabi niya, make sure na you buy a new tire kasi itong spare tire sa likod ng sasakyan for emergency purposes lang yan ba. So, hindi talaga yan siya pang matagalan. So, yeah. Look! Kasi kung walang spare tire, yung gagawin sana is itutow yung ating sasakyan papunta ng mag-fix yung maglalagay ng bagong tire. And hindi yan magagawa today kasi guys is Anzac Day dito sa Australia. So public holiday siya, close yung mga shops. Kaya dapat sana maghihintay pa kami until tomorrow. Buti na lang chinek Daddy Mike ngayong likuran. Kaya tinawagan namin sila ulit. Sabi namin na meron pala extra, may spare tire sa likuran. So, magagawa today. I'm just not sure kung anong oras. May plano pa naman kami. May isang place kami na gustong puntahan ba. View, magandang view din. I think they're calling me back now. Hello, Travis speaking. Oh, hi. Thanks for calling back. Okay, thank you. Ewan ko kung bakit nag-expect sila na meron kaming mga tools dito para i-change yung tires. Kakaloka! Sino bang may plano na mag-change ng tires dito? Tawag daw siya ulit. Siguro lang sila, mag-hire lang siguro sila someone to come and para mag-change lang ba? Wala man tayo mga tools. Uy, hindi man tayo handy. Kumanda pa naman sana yung araw. Lumabas si haring araw. Dapat sana maganda yung view doon. Malas nga naman.
A few moments later.
Ayan na guys. Nandiyan na yung mag-aayos. Alam niyo ba, may bisita naman kami ulit. Oh. Hello. Ayaw niyo umalis dyan. Kanina takot kaming lumabas. Very malaki pa naman yan guys. Tingnan nyo. Oh? Diyos ko Lord. Are you sitting down there, sweetheart? Pumasok na kami dito kasi nagising yung baby girl natin. Ate, let her, ate. You had yours na ha.
I'm still eating.
Ayush! Eating. Tingnan nyo. Happy naman ang ate kaya nag-share man ng bunso. Ako, careful nak. Mag-half na galing ang iyong gilingkuran, anak. Move a little bit, be. Move a little bit. 1, 2, 3, go. Ay, shush. There you go. Yummy? Can Mama have a bite, please? Can Mama have a bite? Mama have a bite? So yummy. Enough na na. Celine's na na. Yummy, Linlin. Nakabag pa naman ang ating baby girl, oh. Generous man ang baby namin eh.
My face on there.
Mama's turn? Mama's turn? Nom nom nom. Sarap ah. Your turn. Anak, doon ko. Anak, sabalok na ko. Nako. Hmm? Can you see it?